Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover method overriding or polymorphism in Java. In Java, when one class inherits other class and the child class redefines the method that is already there in the parent class, then it is called method overriding or polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism means multiple forms. When a child class redefines a method that is already there in the parent class, then that method got two forms, one in the parent class and one in child class. And because of these multiple forms, it is called polymorphism in Java. For example, we have two classes, person A and person B. Now person A class inherits person B class using the extends keyword. Here person A class is the child class and person B class is the parent class. Now person A class redefines the method my_name that is already there in person B class. So this is called method overriding or polymorphism in Java. Because my_name method has two forms, one in person B class and the other in person A class. So because of these multiple forms of my_name method, it is also called polymorphism in Java. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.